So anytime I go on eBay, it is very easy to spot a scam. And the number one telltale sign is that the price is usually too good to be true. They are usually those scam listings or listing those items either as brand new or mint condition, but with a listing price that are usually at least 50% below fair market value. So just as an example, I'm going to search for a camera lens that I'm looking for, which is a Tamron 35 to 150 millimeter lens for Sony. Now over here, usually with eBay's default sort listing, they're going to give you the best matches, which are usually not the lowest priced lenses that are listed. And of course, they have an algorithm to try to sell the lenses at a higher value because eBay would be able to charge more fees for those lenses that are sold. So usually what I do is I go to here and I sort by price plus shipping lowest first. And of course, this is going to be showing all the lenses that are available, starting from the cheapest options. Now, this is where the scam is going to show up. Okay, very easy to spot. The scammers usually have this kind of seller profile with 0% positive. Okay, this is absolutely, definitely 100% fake. And you know it's fake because the price is usually half of what the lens is sold for. So this lens, 35 to 150, retails for $1,400. The used lens usually goes for above $1,000. So if you see a lens that is just so cheap and it's listed as brand new, you click here. Now this one already flagged by eBay, so it's being taken off the eBay website. And let's look at this one. And this one hasn't been taken off. So people can literally just click buy it now or add it to cart. Okay. And they could check out. And once you check out, of course, depending on how fast eBay, really spots those fake listings. And a lot of times when you check out, those scam sellers would actually reach out to you and say, or find other ways to reach out to you and say, hey, there's something wrong with the eBay checkout system. We need to complete this transaction of eBay. They either message you through the eBay system or they give you a picture with kind of a contact information on there. And that's where they get you hooked and you're going to lose your money if you complete the transaction outside of eBay. Now, this is the usual tactic. I don't know how the tactic has evolved throughout the years and how it works today, but they will find ways to find you and make you do the transaction of eBay. Okay, so that's the scary part. Anytime you sort by price, lowest first, those scammers is gonna come up first. Okay. Um, the popular areas for the scammers are usually MacBook Pros. So if I search for MacBook Pro, maybe M5 Pro, for sure, it's going to come up. Okay. Those MacBook listings, see, zero, zero feedback, new listings, zero feedback, new listing. All those are scams. Like MacBooks are the biggest area of scam and probably also iPhones. Now, those all zero, zero. Uh, and another scary part is they will use stolen accounts with feedbacks. So this one is A75. This is definitely a scam. Okay. And you see the listing, they probably hijacked this account where the real seller sold some irrelevant stuff. They made a listing with some positive feedback, and then they try to list A7, R5 or whatever. Those are definitely scams. Okay, you buy this, you will lose money. Let's look at this one, A7R5. Yep, scam. Okay, so yeah, don't fall for those. Anytime the biggest telltale sign is the price is too good to be true. Sometimes the scam comes in various ways. If you're not buying those cameras on eBay, if you buy on Marketplace, they have a listing with a seller with no feedback, with no prior um, sales transaction, and they just created this new account to sell this product at a price that's too good to be true. It is a scam. So just be vigilant. I want to make this video to make people be aware that scams are everywhere nowadays, one way or the other. Don't fall for them. Thank you so much for watching. Be safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.